Right, today we're going to look at conversion graphs. Now the idea is you can see here the first question that I did from the worksheet. I've colour coordinated everything. How long should a 120-mile journey take? Well, I find where 120 miles is. I draw my line up and along, and I find that should take me 2 hours. Yes, you do need to draw your lines on. It's all to do with accuracy, because if you're not accurate, you're close, but you might not get the answer. How long should a 270-mile journey be? Find 270 in the blue, go up and along, and it tells me it's 4.5 hours. Carlos spent 1 hour travelling. How far should he have gone? This time round I go up to the y-axis and I go along from 1 and down. He should have covered 60 miles. If Rosie has spent 3.5 hours travelling, what distance is she expected to have travelled? Well, if I find 3.5 here in the green, along and down, she should have covered 210. Question 4 asks me to draw a conversion chart, and you tend to find that's one of those questions that throws people. This time round it's given me a table with some data to convert from UK pounds to South African rand. It says I need to go from 0 to 10 on the x-axis. Normally the first row is the x-axis, the vertical, the y-axis is South African rand. So I need to go 10 from 0 to 10 along and from 0 to 200 up. So I've gone 0 to 10 along, 0 to 200 up. I've scaled, I've made sure that the numbers are written on the lines. I've labelled my axis, UK pounds, South African rand, and then I've plotted the 1, 2, 3, 4 points on the line. And obviously, the more pounds I have, the more rand I should get. So I can then extend my line all the way along to £10 should be 200 South African rand. Also, third and final question, if you go to the apply, this one there's a little bit extra to it. Richard has gone to Turkey. He has 300 Turkish lira and £800. He buys a flight that costs 900 Turkish lira. He pays using the 300 Turkish lira and some of the pounds. Work out how many pounds he has left. Okay, so if he hands over 300 for the 900 that he needs an extra 600 Turkish lira. Oh, that's going to be simple. I'll go to the graph and, my graph only goes up to 500. What do I do? Well, I look for another number that's helpful to me. I need 600 Turkish lira, but I've got 300. If I go along from 300 and down, I find that 300 Turkish lira is the same as £75. If 300 Turkish lira is £75, then 600 Turkish lira will be twice as much, £150. So he needs to take £150 and exchange that in the Bureau de Change. So if he exchanges £150, the question says how much does he have left from his 800? 800 minus 150 means he's got 650 left.